grew up just loving aviation, always loved business, always loved entrepreneurship. And that really gave me a good foundation to jump into kind of just a new thing that's really not been explored all that much. We are Angel Hawk, and we provide drone videography for athletic programs across the state of Colorado. So we are currently contracted with 21 programs, primarily football and then also lacrosse as well. So we're capturing footage for the teams to be able to use for coaching purposes, and then we upload that footage so they can view it immediately after the practice, and they'll do a full review before they come out the next day, and they'll say like, hey, look, here's where you messed up, here's where you need to fix this.
It really changed how we're doing things, because you see every practice, you see every movement every player makes. Well, football, I played in the NFL for 8 years, and I played in the CFL for 4 years before that, and I transitioned to coaching. We try to ensure that other teams don't get our drone film, because it does reveal so much. But a lot of teams are going to the same system in high school. Thanks to these guys, we've kind of taken it to another level.
The coaches see it uploaded online, and they're like, hey, where'd you get this film? This is amazing. I really want to get it for our team as well. We're at about 18 pilots in total. They will travel to wherever the teams are playing, and we have to get authorization with the airspace, with the schools. We have to make sure that we're fully FAA compliant. Part of the process of what we do out here is we integrate the drone into a sideline replay system so that the coaches can just review the gameplay right as it's happening.
Great tell for you to know that is a screen.
It's similar to that big camera that hangs down behind the quarterback in NFL games, but it's even more versatile because you can put it wherever you want. You can get right in tight, watch the linemen, or get out wide if you want to watch the wide receivers.
As a baseball guy, so I didn't know a whole lot about what exactly are the coaches looking for in the footage. So there's been a little bit of a learning curve.
I actually wasn't a big football fan before I started here, but now that I've started and I've been filming for I think 2 years now, I just can't get my eyes off of it. I got into UAS my first year at MSU when I took a class that was just in the introduction course, and it just kind of spiraled from there. So now I'm just really into it.
It really is a good stepping stone for students to kind of get from the university out into get some experience and get paid for it. And then as the career field of UAS drone piloting expands, then there'll be opportunities because they have the experience. It feels so like a just new blue ocean kind of a industry right now, so it's exciting to be just at the forefront of it.